Anybody who watches what happened over the last 40 years has to be astounded. It's been a whole series of miracles, what's happened. Never before have so many people risen so far, so fast, on so many different dimensions. So this is actually amazing. So in 1978, 90% of all Chinese were struggling just to survive on $2 a day. But now that number is only 1%. And Xi Jinping says it soon will be zero by the end of 2020. Well, that's 700 million people who used to just be barely surviving. That's a great human achievement for mankind.
Now, I agree with the President of China, his long-held conviction that we build a world in which there is between countries an accumulation of converging interests, creating a solid foundation of common interests upon which we can build communities of common interest on the basis of evolving political, global, economic dynamics. And so instead of overzealous defenses of national self-interest at the expense of a wider view of how national self-interest and global interests can move forward in harmony,